Hey guys! All right, so here I am. This listing of mine is so super cute. 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, plus a den that even has built-ins. And the yard is so awesome with preserve view. There also is fencing already there, so you don't have anyone behind you, which is so nice. And I love the flow of how this layout is. It's so beautiful, even with the side garage, which a lot of people love. I know I do. There's even a little bump out area where you can have plenty of cars to park in a community that is so awesome. Low fees, no CDD, and I can't wait to show you. So let's go take a look. I love the palm trees. Landscaping has the curbing. You have the side garage, which I love when they're on the side like this. So pretty. Love the landscaping and the extra long driveway. Woo, so awesome. So let's go take a look inside. Even has screened in front porch so you don't get any mosquitoes. All right, so the first thing that you are gonna fall in love with is that you have this gorgeous flooring in the living room and in the den, and you have tray ceilings, these upgrades, tray ceilings in the dining area and in the great room area and in the master, which is so beautiful. So let's look at this whole space here. So big, huge, open living area space. And these 3-panel sliders are huge. So when you have the nice weather in Florida, you can totally open those. And if you want to add a pool, there's plenty of room to go and add a pool, which is nice, which is you can have these 3 open and have full view of your pool area to extend the living space. So when you first walk in, you have this dining room area, and then you have the den that's right here, and it has these beautiful glass doors and built-ins already. So you continuously have that flooring in there, which is really nice. Bay window kind of bumps out there, and then you have these really nice built-ins ready to go for your office. All right, so once you walk in, this is a true split floor plan. So you have the master on the left, and then you have the other bedrooms on the right, which is really nice to have that separation. So let's go to the master first, and then I'll show you outside because it's really, really pretty. So you have the master here with a nice bay window, lots of natural light that pops through. Tray ceilings again in here, and then you have a shower and a garden tub, which this tub you can totally fit. You could totally fit a couple people in there, which you know having a nice garden tub is important to a lot of people. You have a stand-up shower. And then you have a walk-in closet here with some built-ins already, which is really nice. You have the drawers, and it goes all around the whole side of there too. Even under cabinet lighting here. So cute. All right, so then you go to the kitchen, which has a lot of room for a breakfast bar for breakfast in the morning. A little kitchen nook here for if you want to have a little breakfast area. Nice big spacious windows. And then the kitchen area has these gorgeous white cabinets, lots of space for just everything. Space for spices. You see how this has like a pull out. This is like a dream. Pull out for spices there. So nice. And then even under you have these glass inserts here, but you even have in the drawers in the kitchen, you have these pull outs, which is really, really handy for when you're trying to pull stuff out like pots and pans. Stainless steel appliances. So over here you have bedroom number 2, which is kind of nice because it almost is like, it can serve as a suite. Lots of natural sunlight. This room has its own bathroom that's attached. It's pretty spacious too. And then you have, it actually walks through to this other room. So this could be like an in-law suite if you have someone living with you or just like guests staying with you. Other bedroom is here. Closet, or pantry actually, pantry. And then you have washer and dryer in here. And then the garage, of course, is a huge 2-car garage. But I'm loving the space in here. It just flows so nice. It's just so beautiful. Let's go look outside and I'll show you what you got out there. I love that it's like so quiet, and I'm sure it's so nice to have these sliders just totally open. You know, you can have this totally open. Like right now it's a little warm in Florida, but you have both of those sliders totally open, so it totally expands your living space to outside. So the hot tub can either stay or go, whatever you want. I know it's fairly new, so you can have it, or you can have it to go. We can remove it. You got an already fenced big, huge yard and preserve area back there. Kind of wraps around a little bit, and there's a side gate. Can you imagine sitting on this little thing, just getting some sun, relaxing? So, and you also have a spot here if you wanted to even do like an outdoor kitchen thing, you could. Lots of ideas and lots of opportunities. So yeah, so if you guys want some more information of this beautiful listing of mine in Chelsea Oaks, it's in Parrish, which I know everybody wants to be in Parrish. So the price is super good. If you want some information, contact me at the number here below. And I hope all of you have a blessed day in the name of Jesus.